What's 7-zip? 7-zip is a free and open source file archiver, a utility used to place groups of files within compressed containers known as archives. It is developed by Igor Pavlov and was first released in 1999. 7-zip has its own archive format called 7z, but can read and write several others. 7-zip is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and FreeBSD. It is a powerful archiver that can compress files in a variety of formats, including 7z, zip, rar, and cab. 7-zip also supports encryption, so you can protect your files from unauthorized access. 7-zip is a popular choice for file archiving because it is free, open source, and powerful. It is also available for a variety of platforms, so you can use it on your desktop, laptop, or server. Here are some of the features of 7-zip. High compression ratio. 7-zip can compress files in a variety of formats, including 7z, zip, rar, and cab. It can achieve a higher compression ratio than some other file archivers. Strong encryption. 7-zip supports encryption, so you can protect your files from unauthorized access. Multiple platforms. 7-zip is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and FreeBSD. Free and open source. 7-zip is free to use and distribute. It is also open source, so you can modify the code if you need to. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile file archiver, 7-zip is a great option. It is free, open source, and available for a variety of platforms. It can compress files in a variety of formats, including 7z, zip, rar, and cab. It also supports encryption, so you can protect your files from unauthorized access.